This is Dog Beach in Del Mar. And I don't know how long they've been doing it, but I've never, ever seen this really cool Christmas display. I don't know, there's a plumeria that's probably gonna freeze, but I keep on forgetting we're not in Washington anymore, so it doesn't matter. Look at what they've done here. Look at all these wild designs, some candy cane action going on. But wait, you gotta come back this way because it's really cool. This is a garden for everybody. Look, somebody had a yellow lab. Her name was Gwen. And I hope they didn't bury her right there, but you never know. You never can tell. So this is what Christmas looks like in Del Mar at the Dog Beach. Dog Beach Christmas in Del Mar. There's a letter for Santa. Santa, stop here. And all the gnomes are, ooh, there's Death Gnome over there. Look at that. Skull Gnome. Pretty crazy, huh? Check out all the gnomes. Whoa, there's Hawaiian Bum Gnome, Beach Bum Gnome. Aw, look at all the puppies. Look at this, look at this, look at this, and look at that. And there it is, there it is. Okay, now we're gonna walk down to the beach because we've been screwing around up here in the yard. Oh, somebody did a whole angel and cherubs kind of thing. That's interesting. Buddy, you're not helping, you know that? So here are the dog rules. Live in the moment, accept yourself, be loyal and dependable, don't hold grudges. If you love someone, show them. Exercise every day, drink lots of water, enjoy the journey, and love unconditionally. Very, very cool. I love it. Congratulations to whoever thought this up. What a beautiful garden at the beach. What a beautiful garden at Dog Beach in Del Mar. All of a sudden, there are ornaments hanging from anything that resembles a tree. It's pretty crazy. They're like big chunks of driftwood, and they got a gazillion ornaments hanging from it. Okay, let's walk down to the water. Bud, it gets more fun this way. Come on, let's go. Come on. Cool. Now we're walking down the trail, headed to the water. You like what you see? Look off in the distance. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the beautiful Pacific out there. I wonder if they have a Dog Beach dog cam. That would be pretty cool. You could go online from anywhere in the world and see what the dogs are doing at Dog Beach. Buddy doesn't know the fun part's coming up ahead. He's kind of forgotten these things. Huh, Bud? Say hi to everybody. Buddy, you say hello? Say hello to all your fans. There's the Bee-Meister. Come on, Booger, let's go. Come on, come on. You know what's, ooh, we got a nice little low tide, I think. We got a little low tide going on. The channel is drained. Look, little kids volleyball. That's pretty cool. There's some bigger kids playing volleyball. That's a lot of volleyballs lying around on the sand. They look like Easter eggs. What do you think, buddy? Huh? Come on, buddy. They're looking for you down at the water. Come on. You happy? Happy, buddy? The best part's up ahead. Come on, let's go. Taking pictures?
Yeah.
Cool. So there you have it. Almost 5 minutes. Here's a big fluffy guy. Ooh, there's some dogs running. Buddy, you sure you don't want to get off the leash? Huh? Go play. Go play, bud. Look at there. Come here. I'll take you off your leash. Wait, sit. Wait, buddy. Just wait a minute. Wait. There you go. Go say hi to your friend. Buddy, come on, let's go. Good boy. Boy, Buddy came when he was called. What a good boy you are, Buddy. Oh my goodness. Look at all the volleyballers. Check it out. We have megalotide, I think. Look at this beautiful view. What an amazing afternoon. That's all I got to say about that. Oh, wow. Looky, 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 looky. Looky, 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 looky. How cool is this? Wow, there goes the coaster. That's the surf liner. There's the Del Mar racetrack. Whoa! There's so much sand built up under the bridge. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is crazy. I wonder if they did that for Bill Gates, you think, huh? In his honor, they built up all the sand on his side of the canal. I'll bet he figured out some way to do that. Just guessing. Oh man, I've never seen the tide out so far. Buddy, come on. Come on, boy. Go get him, booger. Let's go. Come on, run, boy, run, 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 run. Yay, buddy. Buddy's the best. Buddy's the best. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Making friends at the beach. Making friends at the beach. Yeah. That's a puppy. That's a puppy. Look how beautiful the beach is. Wow, the tide's out so far. We could almost walk on water. Pull a JC here, but I don't think we're gonna. Now, one of those houses is supposed to be Bill Gates down there, if you believe that sort of propaganda. I think the city of Del Mar did that just to attract more visitors. Look at the bluffs. Look at how pretty the bluffs look. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. And there's Buddy making a friend. Making a friend with a little poochie. Yeah. Here we go. Now here friends gathering over there. And look at this view. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh my goodness. What a beautiful view today. Holy moly. Buddy. Buddy, you having fun? You having fun, bud? Buddy is having way too much fun at the beach today. Gosh, I've never seen the tide out this far. Holy moly. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Looky, 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 looky. Wow. How amazing, huh? How amazing. We are so lucky. What a wonderful afternoon. What a treat. And Stephanie wanted to stay in the car. Unbelievable. Buddy, come here, boy. Buddy, come here. Buddy, come. Buddy, come now. Buddy, come here. Good boy. It's a good boy, buddy. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. How you doing there, Marmaduke? You find pair off with Marmaduke? Look at you. You stay right over here, bugger. Stay right here. You just stay right here. Look at the beautiful beach. Oh my goodness. In all my years, I don't think I've ever seen it this pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous. Man, look at that cliff, huh? Buddy, where'd Buddy go? Buddy's off socializing again. There he is. Buddy loves to play with Great Danes. He can roughhouse with the best of them. Yep, he loves the big dogs. He loves the big dogs. And the little kids. He goes crazy for little kids. Look at him. He loves little kids. Yep. Yep. Good job, buddy. Good job. Wow. See La Jolla in the distance? It's our old stomping ground. Everybody's having fun today. What a great afternoon. Happy Buddy. Happy Buddy at the beach. Sebastian, I hope you're watching this. This is special for you because we miss you. I know you're up in the snow, freezing your you-know-what's off. I just can't get over how much sand's built up under the bridge. You see that? Look, everything's normal, right? Go off to your right. I mean, I don't even think the tide gets up that high. I guess it does. It slips through. Look, Buddy's out in the water. Well, it was just a matter of time before Buddy got in that ocean. Doing what Buddy does best. Buddy, come here. Come on, get out of the water. Buddy, come. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let's go. Oh, oh my goodness. Buddy's having fun now. Buddy's having fun now. Oh my goodness. Buddy, come on. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. Look at that beautiful run. Look at you. You're a rock star, buddy. You're awesome. Oh yeah, you had some fun out there, didn't you? You had some fun out there. What a beautiful afternoon. Oh yeah. Come on, Booger. Let's go. Time to go home. Stephanie doesn't want to join us. Gotta go. Well, I hope you enjoyed 13 minutes on the beach. Beautiful Dogs Beach. I've never seen the tide out this far. Unbelievable. What a beautiful day. Buddy, you deserve to stay longer, don't you? Come on, let's go. Let's go find Stephanie. Let's go find Stephanie. You ready?